Multiply 0.082 by 250 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 2 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 8 plus the carried 1 is 41. The second partial product is 4,100. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start two places to the left. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. The third partial product is 16,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 4 is 5. In the thousands column, 4 plus 6 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus the carried 1 is 2. The product of the whole numbers is 20,500. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 20,500 becomes 20.500. That is simply 20.5. So 0.082 times 250 is 20.5.